In this video, I want to show you how to recode a scale variable into an ordinal variable with categories. And the variable I'm going to show you with is age. And I'm going to use the recode into different variable options under the transform menu. This will allow me to keep my original variable. And I will be creating a new variable. I'm going to move the variable age into my input variable box, and then I'm going to assign a name to my new variable, which is age groups. Remember, it can't have any spaces. And click change. This will move my variable name over into the box. Then click old and new values. And here we're going to specify the ranges for our groupings. So for the first one, I'm going to choose range lowest through, and I want to group for 25 and younger. So I'm going to enter 25. This is group 1, so under new value, I will enter 1 and then click add. For my next group, it's going to be 26 through 35, so I'm going to use this range option, and I'm going to enter 26. And then 35. Now this is group 2. And then click add. I'm going to continue this for the next 2 groups, so 36 to 45. This is group 3. And then 46 to 55. And that's group 4. Now for my last group, I want ages 56 and older, so I'm going to choose range, value through highest, and enter 56. This is group 5. And make sure to click add. I'm done now, so I can click on continue. And then I can also click OK. Your output window will be the first thing that shows, so I'm going to go back to my data file. And you can see my original variable is still there, so I'm going to scroll all the way to the right, and I can see my new variable called age groups with my categories 1 to 5. Now if I double click on the heading, I will be taken to the variable view, and I can see my new variable there. I need to define it. I'm going to change my decimal places to 0, and I'm also going to give it a label. Next, I'm going to do value labels. So this is where I'm just going to put the groupings that I just created. So group 1 is under 25. Group 2 is 26 to 35. Group 3 is 36 to 45. Group 4 is 46 to 55. And the last group is 56 and older. Make sure to click add after each one and click OK. So now I've done my value labels. The last thing I need to do is change my measure because it's no longer a scale variable, it's ordinal. And now that I've done that, I'm going to go look at my variable again in the data view. So if I double click on that 13, and you can see now that my value labels are showing because I have this box here checked. If I uncheck it, I can see my values.